Hola amigos, bienvenido a nuestra clase de español. Today we want to learn about how to say greetings in Spanish. When you want to talk to someone, the first thing you need to know is his or her name. So to say how do you call yourself, which in this form we make the question, we say ¿Cómo te llamas? So literally it means how do you call yourself? Pay attention to te and es of llamas. In response, we say me llamo Ratito. Now you ask me, ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ratito. Now I call you. ¿Cómo te llamas? You say, me llamo. Well done! Continuing this conversation, you usually say, nice to meet you. In Spanish, there are two easy expressions to say this. Mucho gusto or encantado or encantada. Encantado if you are a man, encantada if you are a woman. So if I say mucho gusto, you can say encantado or encantada. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ratito. Mucho gusto. Encantado.